Unlocking the magic of the moment. A journey through expressive English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very special phrase that captures the essence of extraordinary experiences, the magic of the moment. This phrase is not just about words. It's about the feelings and stories behind them. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover how to use this enchanting expression in our daily conversations. The magic of the moment refers to the extraordinary, often indescribable feeling of being part of a special event or experience. It's about those fleeting instances that are so perfect or beautiful that they seem almost magical. These moments are powerful because they're not just about what's happening around us, but also about how we feel inside. It's a celebration of the present, urging us to appreciate the here and now without worrying about the past or the future. To bring this phrase to life, let's look at some examples where it can be used. Witnessing a breathtaking sunset that paints the sky in hues of gold and purple, where you're so caught up in the beauty that everything else fades away. A surprise encounter with an old friend in an unexpected place, sparking joy and nostalgia that feels almost magical. The first time you hear your favorite song live, and the music resonates with your soul, creating a timeless memory. In each of these scenarios, the magic of the moment lies in the emotional depth and the unique, irreplaceable quality of the experience. Now that we understand what it means and when to use it, let's discuss how to incorporate the magic of the moment into our conversations and storytelling. Describing personal experiences. When sharing memorable stories with friends or writing in a journal, use this phrase to highlight the special nature of these experiences. In creative writing, this phrase can add a layer of depth and emotion to poems, stories, and essays, enriching the narrative and connecting with the reader on a deeper level. Expressing appreciation. Use it to express gratitude or appreciation for a moment shared with someone, acknowledging the beauty and rarity of the experience. Exploring the magic of the moment has shown us how language can capture the essence of our most cherished experiences. It's a reminder to stay present, savor each moment, and appreciate the beauty around us. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize and celebrate the magic in your own life. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic adventure, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Keep expressing, keep learning, and remember, the most magical moments are those we share with others.